recording. So in CDS view, how we can implement the SQL functions and all. Okay, let's go and create the one CDS view. Indeed. Okay, go to next. Use decode. Next. And I want define view only. So sorry, okay. Use the SQL name. Did SQL function and CDS.
This SQL view name only we can see in SE11, right?
Uh, this one. This one is we can able to see from S11 define view.
Okay, then what is the purpose of giving
This
the
is
name SQL?
SQL name. This is SQL name like a HANA model is there, right? Like calculation view, attribute view, and view.
Okay,
So
okay,
this view is going to reflect there, and this view define view is going to reflect it in S11.
okay.
Okay, sorry, ma'am. Okay. Okay. So I'm just using flag table as your filler. Okay, so here I'm just give the key field currency. Okay, then for suppose you want to do some calculation, I just make it like a default some values you want to keep it. Then I'm just give a some like a ABS is the like one of the we have a float sale SQL functions, right? So similar way we have a ABS some arithmetic relevant values if you want to display, then we can use ABS. Okay, so operations. Now sale is like a top value. Whatever value is there, the next value. Okay, and just give something. Uh, Sale operation floor. So these are all the keywords. Okay, sale floor division. So same value. Give it. Yes, floor operation and division. So and okay, so if you want to do multiple divisions, then we can use complete keyword with the divisions. If it is a two values, then we can, okay, within this you want to divide it, then you can just use the DAV. Okay, if it is more than that, then we can use the division. Okay, so, okay, so I will check it, what happens. Underscore P and mod, this is like a, once divided that we have a mod, right? So let me operations. Then yeah, as usual, alias name. So price, yes, we can price. Better I will give SF underscore price. Okay, round off you want. Dot price, comma, 0. Miss decimals with 0 decimal. Round of operation with 0. Price with 1. Then round off the operation 1. Okay, let me save, check and activate. Then execute. Okay, so these are all coming from the fields table. Okay, and whatever sign symbol we given with -2. So this is options, I think. Okay, so that is signs. It is removed that sign symbol, and 25.3 are given for sale. Okay, so it get the next value
abyss,
26.
you have written abyss, then bracketed -2.
Yeah, correct.
Then abyss means -1 into -2.
Hmm. Minus into
Okay,
minus, it becomes plus.
whenever
Hmm.
we'll write abyss means it will like change the positive to negative and negative to positive.
Ah.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay, then this is the sale. Sale is the next value, like a 25.3 I given. Then next value it came 26. And floor is like a below value. So the 25.5 I given. Okay, so then below value, but it is in even we see in this value in our SQL queries also, right? Hexadecimal it converted. Okay, but then generally it is a 25. Okay, so then like a division, like 5 divided by 3, then it is like a divided value. Like 1, we got the not the remainder, like a result with the 1 point we'll get it. Okay, so division value we got with. If it is with the decimals, in that case, then we can give the full division, full spelling, then we'll get it with the decimals. Okay, so how many decimals? Like 4 decimals you required, then 4. Okay, so 5 divided by. Okay, so here what it is happened, that remainder value it is ignoring, right? So round value it is getting in this case at here. So same value 5 divided by 3 and 4 decimals. I'm just specified it here. Then with the 4 decimals we are getting. Okay, and this is mod 2. Okay, so means like next value. Okay, say 1.6 is means it is a 2, right? So that is the one it came at here mod 2. Okay, and this is the price like freight flight price value price. Okay, in this case what we given, let me go to 0. Okay, round value with it is 0. Okay, then in that case, yeah, this is the 0. Actually, this is the price, actual price, and round we make it value with the decimals. We make it as a, instead of 44, we make it as a decimal with the zeros. Okay, round value with the zeros.
I think
And when it is
mod and round actually works similarly, right?
round and mod, yeah, correct. Similar, but here we given the 0 decimals, right? So that the reason it came with the 0 decimal. If you are not
Okay.
provided with the 0, then round value will get it. Let me take one more round value without 0. Okay, wait. Two parameters. Okay. Then value it is expected. It is a decimal value, right? So yeah, that is good. Okay, so if you like a zero decimals if you want it, then it be yeah, it is like that only. Okay, so next value if it is 44, because of that, it came at as a 425. If it is more
because it
than that,
is less than point 0.5, that's why.
point 0.5. Yeah, 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 correct. Okay, in this case, it is point 0.5. So next
Yeah,
value it
that's why
gives.
180.
Okay. Okay, so then when it is come to the round value with one, okay, one decimal it comes. Okay, first decimal. It is 44, then only one decimal it came, like a 4. Okay, so rest of second decimal it is like a 0.
If it will be
So for suppose in this case
44,
51 is there. Okay,
yeah,
only
that's
first decimal. Okay, second decimal it is not considered.
okay. If it will be 613.56, then
Uh, so 5 it comes. 6
I think 6
means
will come.
6
I think.
next value with the like 5 it comes. Okay, we'll give it. uh, Is there any example? No, only one we have. 51 is there, 44 is there. 45 is not there.
Yeah, definitely it will peak. I think if it will be 425.46, then it will peak 425.6.
Yeah. Okay. 425.56, right? This is
Yeah,
the
five
one
six.
one.
Yes, yes.
Values is not allowed. Should be allowed. Let me try this way. Uh, value of incorrect character. Okay. As and again, we need to do some conversions and all. But still, if I do also, I'm not sure. Okay. Uh, let me check it. Okay, we use the cast and then we can try. Let me try. Something to. Okay, now let me try with 4 y. But if I give decimals, it may not be. Hmm, that is what. decimals, what happens? It is taking as a separate value. Mhm. It's okay.
Here we cannot declare a local variable and pass the value.
No, those are not work out it here.
Okay, okay. No, this view we can use in like SAP reports, right?
Yeah, yeah. We can write this select query and then we can you
Then
directly
we
instead
can
of table name we use the this
view name.
view name, CDS view name.
Okay.
Like that. Okay. So other than this, like we have a few more. Okay. So string operators like string functions as well. Okay. I'm going to create one more. This is also a different view. Okay. Sorry. You can give SQL name. Without Z also it will allow. Okay. It is not mandatory, but here we can maintain the Z. Okay. How
Okay.
we created in SQL like views and all without Z. So same way it is allows set here also.
No.
Okay, then we can write the query. But suppose MAKT, I'm just taking a table. Okay, key field is Matner. Okay, so mat number. Okay, so material description, MAKTX description. Okay, but suppose I want length for this description. Okay, like a string length and all is there, right? STL and R. So same thing at here if you want to get the length for which field. So MAKT, okay, KTX field, I want to get the length. Okay, in that case, we can give the give the length and then what is that field? That field name we have to give it. Okay, so MAKTX. Yeah. Now, okay, so like I want to do something concatenate or string in string str. Let me check this. MAKTX. Give some shortcode. Man alias name, then description with position. And we have a concatenate in MAKTX and language SPRAS. Yes, concatenate. Okay, so left MAKTX. Okay, so three. Yes, description left. Same way, right. maktx. So write something. For okay. So lowercase, then makt, then s lower. Description lowercase. Uppercase, then uppercase. Okay. So lpad, maktx, description, lpad, rpad, okay, trim, left side trim, maktx, exactly our place it is going to trim it. R trim, description, R trim. Replace, want to replace, then so with what value you want to replace, so that we can give it. Raw, raw place, I need to replace with the soft, then we can give substring, substring. Okay, so let's go. Open here, there, what is that? Here, where it is error, contain errors. Okay, let me try with Z. I don't think so. This is the issue. Yeah. not exact where it is. F1. Let me check. Is there any material description and then length we given correct length instr concatenate. So is there any brackets? Okay, let me try this. Okay. MAKT. Maybe material description field name MATK. No, MATKX. MATKTX. This is the correct only. Then what is the issue? Warnings only. Let's try activate. Okay, now it is got activated. Let me remove this and one more time. It went to error. Okay, might be Z is expecting. Okay, so but without that also we can do it. I will check it. In that case, maybe some annotation I need to give it. Okay, then
Okay.
it will work. Okay, then we got a material description. For this material description length, okay, that string length, how much it is there, then it is coming. Then prop position. So let me give. There is. Let me give the position. For suppose KI is there. Okay, exactly where this KI or DING. So I just given man, right? So DING I will give it. Let X. Okay, so let's go again where it went. Okay, yeah, here it is the DING. Okay, so exactly where that position, so DING is coming. So that position it is going to show it here. Like a ONE 8 is and space up to that is 5. Okay, DING is the starting position is 6 character. Okay, so exit that place it is showing it here. Okay, so
Okay.
that is about the like INSTR. Okay, and concatenate means like you want to concatenate with language. Okay, so then um, description plus E is the language. All the places it came with the E. Okay, concatenated with the E. You want to space, then we can give the one more